Hi everyone, I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to learn how to use a rapid typing software. For starting a rapid typing software, first we have to know that what is rapid typing software. Rapid typing tutor is designed to teach adults and kids to use their computer keyboard more efficiently than ever. Learning to type is fun with the typing game include the rapid typing tutor while its extensive training statistics and customized lesson are rarely seen in the much more expensive products. See here, that is a typing screen in which when we type any letter, then a rectangular block is selected by the screen and we see that whatever we are typing on the keyboard. For starting a rapid typing software, first we have to click on the start button, click on all program, click rapid typing 5 folder, again click rapid typing 5 application. While starting a rapid, when we open the rapid typing software, we see that there is a main window is composed of following control. Three big tab button in the top left corner are used for switching between basic program modes, current lesson, student static and lesson editor. In the text area in the center of window, the text to be typed is displayed. Next is toolbar. In the top of window, lets you select the current course and lesson and customize the main program option. Lesson control section allow you to start, suspend the current lesson, go back to the beginning and see the current speed, accuracy and remaining are elapsed lesson time in a real time. Status bar in the bottom includes tip for the current lesson, progress bar, lesson length, metronome and the sound volume. Virtual keyboard will help you to learn touch typing with all 10 figures. You can customize its option in the keyboards option also. Working with rapid typing. Click on introduction from the toolbar to select the course depending on the skill and experiment. Click on the lesson from the toolbar to select a lesson. Put your finger in the base position as shown on the virtual keyboard. Press the key of the letter that appear on the screen. After completing the lesson, a new window appear with the detail about your performance like speed and accuracy. Here, that is a detail of Neil Anderson, and in this we are going to see how much the performance of Neil Anderson is. We see that speed is the 27 word per minute, accuracy is 90% word, and slow down on the 6% words. So by this static we can perform better, and this is a result of Neil Anderson after the typing. Interpreting results. Next step. Next step tab suggests your next step. Go to next lesson or try again comparing your result with course goal in the course option. If all three conditions speed, accuracy and timeout are performed, it suggests you to go to the next screen. It is a performance of Neil Anderson with respect to time. In see, you can see here that is a graph made of when about the Neil Anderson progress, and red marks the low accuracy and green marks the high accuracy. On the second tab, you can see the lesson static in detail, the typing speed and error slowdown for each character and keystroke. The green dashes line is a diagram show good and bad results with a good result appearing above the line. See course goal. If item has a bad result, the column is red. If result is good, the column is green. The keystroke diagram, the key names are the same color as the finger zone. See, this is a detailed statistics tab. In this, we are seeing that the performance is in red is a good bad performance, and the performance of D and K button is good. Performance of J is bad condition and F is bad, but space D and K are in good position. Overview the error in test. On the third tab in the test area, you can check the error that occurred during the lesson. The color indicates the following: green correct character, yellow character show that the time frame has been exceeded, red incorrect character, orange incorrect character, and the time for typing a character has been exceeded. Error overview tab. In this, we are going to see that whenever the error is occurred, that is occur in red color, after that is being orange and yellow, and after that it is green. It show the first it is wrong, then we are going to correct it, and then after we correct type a correct letter on with a correct finger, and thus it is in green.